In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Copilot in Excel for data analysis. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your workbook, open Copilot, and get practical results using simple, natural language. First, open the Excel file you want to analyze and make sure it's saved in the cloud, either on OneDrive or SharePoint. Copilot works best, and in some cases only, when your file is cloud saved. If you've been working locally, just save a copy to your OneDrive or a SharePoint library so Copilot can access the content and deliver results quickly. Next, format your data as a table. This step is essential because tables help Copilot understand the structure of your data, things like column names and data types. Select your range and convert it into a table. Ensure you include headers so Copilot can refer to fields clearly. Clean, consistent headers and tidy columns will dramatically improve the quality of Copilot's insights. Now, open Copilot. You can click the Copilot icon from the Home tab, or use the little sparkle icon that appears next to a selected cell. This opens a chat pane on the right, where you'll interact with Copilot and see its explanations and suggestions. Keep this pane visible while you work so you can quickly ask follow-up questions. From here, talk to Copilot like you would to a colleague. Ask for formulas by describing what you want to calculate, such as create a formula to find month-over-month growth for sales. You can request insights like summarize the top 3 drivers of revenue, or identify outliers in this dataset. If you're exploring visuals, ask Copilot to create a chart that compares quarterly totals, or build a pivot table that groups results by region and product. Copilot will generate the output, explain why it chose that approach, and suggest refinements in the chat pane. For data cleaning, ask it to detect duplicates, highlight missing values, or standardize inconsistent text. It can propose steps and even write the formulas or transformations for you. If your environment supports it, you can request advanced Python analysis, such as statistical summaries or more complex visualizations. Copilot will provide clear explanations so you understand what's being done and why. Finally, refine your prompts when needed. Specify the table name or columns, mention timeframes, and tell Copilot how you want the result presented. Review the output, accept what works, and iterate. With your file in the cloud, your data in a table, and clear natural language requests, Copilot in Excel becomes a powerful partner for fast, reliable analysis.